to this pre-market analysis of Nifty, where on a chart we try to make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. These were the lines we drew yesterday. This was the target we set for Nifty on an hourly time frame, perfectly respected. This was the one we set for Nifty on a daily time frame. Nifty has refrained from touching that level, but the hourly level has been perfectly respected. Now let's go and delete all the levels we drew yesterday, and as usual, start afresh. From a monthly time frame, on a monthly time frame, Nifty is bullish. Why is it bullish? Because the low made in August is still protected. It is a higher low. That means buyers were buying with confidence at a higher level, and a higher base has been created. That base is still protected on a monthly time frame. So what are the important levels? The important levels are the low that's created in August with a thicker line, that's 24,337, and the high that was created all the way in September. That's where the selling started. Big sellers are still stationed there on a monthly time frame, 26,277. Going over to a weekly time frame, on a weekly time frame, the bias was bullish. It still is bullish. Why is it bullish? Because a lower high has been created. Are there any important levels to mark up? There is no important level to mark up. On a weekly time frame, the target is this low, that is 24,337. That's the monthly target or monthly buyers level. That is an ultimate target for the on a weekly time frame. On a daily time frame, it was bearish and it still is bearish. It has continuously been creating lower highs, so it has been bearish. Now, what's the target on a daily time frame? It is this level. Let me mark it in green. With a thinner line, that is 24,571.75. Now, is there an important level to mark up? Yes, there is something important to mark up here. That is this fair value gap that's been created today on a daily time frame. It's a bearish fair value gap. Let's see what happens. Going over to the 4-hour time frame. Oh, let me just quickly go back to the daily time frame. Is there any important levels in this within this fair value gap? Well, nothing important. Okay, let's just go back to the 4-hour time frame. On a 4-hour time frame, Nifty was bearish. It is still bearish. Why is it bearish? Because it has been continuously creating lower highs. There's a fair value gap here, so but I've already marked one in a daily time frame. I'll go to an hourly time frame. What's up on an hourly time frame? On an hourly time frame, it was bearish. It is still bearish. It has been creating lower highs and it is bearish. There is a fair value gap that's created here. Nifty has stung into that fair value gap and taken a rejection to the downside, and this is a flat top that was created. Perfect reaction from the fair value gap. Everything looks bad for Nifty. We have a few targets to be on Nifty to be taken. Let's see what happens tomorrow. That's it from my side. Once again, I'm not a certified analyst. I do this only for educational purpose. Thank you.